Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Gwynette, and I'm doing now an eyebrow tutorial that is suggested by Miss Awi, my friend. Hi Awi! So we have a visitor. My Hachi came here. Look, Hachi! Hachi, 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 Hachi! I'm with a bare face and kakaligo ko lang. So, ayan ako. Ito po ang aking face kapag walang makeup. So, without further ado, let's start making my eyebrows. I only use two products, which is the eyebrow gel liner. Ito yung ginagamit ko pang kilay kasi tumatagal to guys, promise. Hindi siya agad nabubura. Ito. And for cleaning the excess eyebrows, ginagamit ko naman itong Maybelline in the shade of sand. Nabura na yung shade. Nabura na yung taba. And I am using this spoolie from Watson's. Double purpose. Ito yung brush. And the brush. And this is the spoolie. Yan. And for the concealer. So, let's start. Kapag nagkikilay ako, ang inuuna ko is yung sa baba para makita natin yung korte ng kilay. And ayan guys, shaden ko na yung babae ng taas. And ngayon, i-blend na natin yung sa loob. Shape kayo sa baba is may lumagpas. Don't worry kasi mamaya i-clean naman natin siya ng concealer. Unahan, huwag mo masyadong kakatalan, and dapat kapag dito, brush na lang siya. Kasi ang pangit niyan guys kung parehas na kapal. Huwag na kayo maginta sa hilad. Ayan. Minsan kapag okay naman na yung kilay ko, hindi ko na siya kino-consider katulad nito. So, ayun guys. And tip ko pala, kung saan kayo nahihirapang magkilay, yun ang unahin nyo. Para the rest, madali na. Kasi dati, hirap akong magkilay dito. And now, and ginawa ko yun. Ito yung una ko lagi nun. And then dito, sa madali na. So, kaya ko naman na. And kahit saan ako nag-start. The other eyebrow. And brush nyo muna siya pataas. Hindi kayo mahirapan. Concealer and my concealer brush. Sobrang konti lang kasi yun natin sobrang kapal. So guys, I'm done cleaning my eyebrows. And it's your choice kung gusto mo rin sa taas. And ako, mas pinili ko lang dito sa baba. And hindi na ako naglagay sa taas ngayon kasi hindi naman to full makeup. Kapag natural na pasok lang sa school, aalis, ganyan lang siya sa baba lang ako naglilinis na. Like, so, that's it! How I did my eyebrows. I hope you like this. And I hope this tutorial helps you how to do eyebrows. If you guys like this, and thank you so much, Abby, for suggesting this video. Thank you so much, and keep safe and God bless. And also to everyone, keep safe everyone, and God bless you all and your family. Bye guys! Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.